Yeah, I just wanted to do a little video on the Anet A6 that I built in 2017, and like them all, they're all the same. The Anet A6 that you build from the kit with the annoying paper on the acrylic. You take all that off and build it, and I ended up just mounting mine on 2 3/8 piece of plywood, and then I just took 2x4s, ripped them long ways, and just built a frame with the acrylic pieces. I put exhaust fans in the back, which were going to be hooked up to a control unit, but I never used it because I don't really need it. It doesn't seem like it gets that warm inside the cabinet. And probably like all Anet A6s, I've replaced everything from the hot end to the hotbed to the motherboard to the fans to the hotbed sensor to the belts. I ended up using a big fan from 80 to 40, and I've had pretty good success with this sensor here, and so that's worked out pretty well, and it's been pretty it's the same every time, it seems. It does move around sometimes, but most of the time it's because something got out of whack with the bed or something. And I put the control unit up top, get it out of the elements. I was using 2 MOSFETs, but I ended up only using one. For a long time I used 2, you know, one for the bed, one for the hot end, but now I think I just got the bed hooked up to that, and even now the bed it needs to be replaced again. And just a basic cover. This was the control unit for the fans, which I have never really hooked up. And you know, put a door on it and everything. I did build a power switch, like for a computer. Put it in there, but I never installed it yet. I've never really seen the need to. Maybe when I tear it down someday. You see the little exhaust fan there? There's one on each side. I printed out little hinges. I use magnets here, and then I just close this like that. I also made it so the top can come off. So if you need to get in there, and I just feed the filament down, obviously through there. That's pretty much a look at the Anet A6. I just print on glass with a purple Aquanet. Personally, I've had pretty good success with the glass, and it makes it easy with the sensor, for sure.